What's good, everybody? It's your girl Strawberry. Yes, that's straw as in berry. And I'm back with another video.
I can be your sunshine. I can be your sunshine. I can be your angel. I can be your angel. I can make you smile for a lifetime, baby. Yeah.
Welcome back, everybody. If you watched my videos before, and if you new here, I'm Strawberry. What's that? So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I styled this wig. It's a pretty old wig. This wig is all the way back from my wedding, actually. I let somebody in Cleveland style it. I let her customize it and all of that. If you're interested in seeing how I styled this wig and gave it a little bit of strawberry life, then keep on watching. So y'all, we're gonna start off with this crummy wig, freshly washed, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on my head like that or whatever. Boom. But now we gotta get this together. Let's do it. So I'm gonna use the Got2B Glue to just glue it on my head because I don't want it glued on for so long. It's just temporary. I'm gonna also use the Got2B Glue spray. So this is the first coat. And then after I dry it, I'm gonna put on the second coat. Drippage. And I forgot to put my makeup on the stocking cap before I put the glue, so I'm gonna just do it now. I'm gonna go back in again for the second coat of the Got2B Glue spray. And I'm gonna blow dry that John. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig just like I normally would. And just make sure all the sides are down and stuff like that. Now, this wig, this is the way that the person that I let customize it for my wedding, this was her definition of a customization. Go dry it down so it's tight and secure. And now I'm gonna part off the front where I want my baby hairs to go. Now I've never done this in my life. I don't know how to create baby hairs all like that. I barely know how to do them. So we gonna do this for the first time together. So I'm a part of as much hair as I think should be parted. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wet the back so I can brush it on back so it won't be in my way when I'm trying to cut and swoop my baby hairs. And I'm gonna do it to both sides. The reason why I started so far back on my hairline is because there were previous baby hairs already cut, but they were like way too short. And since the wig is so old, they started to fall out. So it was kind of like bald spots and stuff like that. So I just decided to try to make a new hairline. I also had excess lace because it was too big to my head. So this is giving y'all an example of how not good my wig was applied on my wedding day. I'm attempting to plug. I never plugged, but let's try to plug. Girl, I don't see not one piece of hair come out of there. But I'm gonna go ahead and Got2B Glue this down in the part so I know it's secure, and go ahead and blow dry that. Now I'm gonna cut down the hairs on the ends. I OD'd a little bit on the cutting. It ended up with very short baby hairs, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mousse and some Style Factor edge control and just try to shape these baby hairs to what I want them to be, or what I think I want them to be. That is not a swoop. That is a sway. Yeah, so we're gonna keep working on these baby hairs until I feel like they're okay enough for me to continue. And I'm gonna do that to both sides. Wave them. Cause it ain't swooping, she waving. And I guess I just said, okay, that's enough. And threw my scarf on. So now I'm gonna brush out my hair and get ready to style it. I'm gonna do some simple wand curls. Section my hair off and make 4 sections. And then I'm just gonna part and start curling my hair. The wand curler is self-explanatory. Only thing I would say is don't burn yourself because that shit burn. Curl. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Take off them scarf baby hairs. Now let's try to shape them again. You got this straw. And now I'm gonna just do my face. And I'll see y'all at the end. Woohoo. The final look, y'all. Yes. And I did get this wig off of Amazon. It's pretty old. It just been balled up inside out, inside my bag somewhere, and I was like, I might as well do something with it. Because if you want my closet, you either gotta get worn or threw away. And I ain't throwing no money away. So here I is. I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box below of everything that I used today in this video. Also where I got this wig from, because you should definitely get it. It's very affordable. And Amazon Prime, honey, get it in 2 days and be slayed. Order it on Monday, get it by Wednesday, slay them on Thursday. You feel me? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Also give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you want to see. You know, talk to me. I talk back. I'm fairly new at doing all of this. I have never did what I just did to the front of this wig to anything in my life. We here to grow together. If you don't like my methods, watch somebody else's video. You might like theirs. I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, berries.